Angazi niphindeke nikwazi ukuthi nithole.
Ngiyangafika umuntu ngoba nami ngabe sengilahlekelwa ifoni. Ngakathi ngisebenzisa ngesikhathi leso. Angiphindanga ngazi ngayo ukuthi ikuphi kanjani. Phindanga nje communicate.
Okay. Ona 31 years iminyaka. Kodwa sikhuluma nje usesesimeni sokuthi usephila njengomuntu ongazi ukuthi ubheke ko 95 years iminyaka njengamanje. Nesimo somzimba wonke indlela aseguge ngayo okusolakala ukuthi kwaba khona umuntu wangaphandle athandana naye okusolakala ngazuthi ke uyena ngathi bathi ke wamenza lokho amenza khona ke ngokuthakatha ke indlela athakathwa ngayo ngoba ngathi waba nomuntu ajola naye wangaphandle emva kwalokho lo muntu wanyamalala usisi ke waqala ke lempilo ukuthi kushintsha umzimba wakhe ke uthathe isimo sokuba umuntu osemdala wesimame osebheka impela empeshenini indlela abukeka njengamanje ungaphezulu ngisho kamama wakhe omzalayo umama wakhe ungazi ukuthi uyena omusha mhlawumbe bayalamana uma babheka kanti cha ingane le ineminyaka nje u31 isimo sokugula abhekene naso ke isona bacela ukuthi ke sisuke ngapha eThekwini sibheke khona le sizombona sibone ukuthi ke yini mhlambe ke iSouth Africa engakwazi ukuthi imenzele khona kulesi simo abhekene naso ke ngane zakwethu ke ngiyabonga njengamanje siyacela ukuthi nize nisijoyine sihambe siyobona lesi simo sikadadewethu osemtuba.
Hello you guys and welcome back to the channel. My name is Sello. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course to make sure that you do share this video. So currently trending today would have to be this 31-year-old lady from South Africa in KwaZulu Natal, you guys. So she wrote to this YouTube or Facebook page called Tuleleni TV because she is in need of help. This lady has shocked and had a lot of people on social media devastated to learn that she is not a go-go as she looks now. She's only 31 years old. And here's her story. Allegedly, she is 31 years old and her condition changed. Her appearance, her physical appearance changed to an old go-go after she reportedly got involved with a Nigerian foreign national. It is said that they got involved in a sexual relationship, and allegedly the Nigerian foreign national bewitched this lady and changed her appearance to that of a very old woman. You guys, she doesn't even look like her mother's age. As a matter of fact, she looks like her mother's grandmother. You guys, now she wrote to Tuleleni TV because she needed help. Now, at this point, people on social media have reacted to seeing this beautiful lady turned into a very old lady. They have expressed such devastation, with a lot of people, of course, once again, coming on social media to say that, you know, they've warned South African ladies from dating foreign national. I've seen a lot of videos whereby people on TikTok are making fun of this lady. Now, there is also people, of course, who are very knowledgeable when it comes to, you know, like life sciences. They say that this lady could possibly have an illness that is called progeny. We do know, like, the progeny that we know, it is mostly in like infants, but they stated that there is also a progeny, which is a very rare disease, which does not normally occur in old people. They're saying that maybe this lady suffers from that. What do you guys think about this? Do you think that this is just a case of witchcraft, of her sleeping with old Nigerian men? Please do engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. Like this video, share it so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video. Guys, I do not know what to say at this point, but I pray that she truly gets the help that she deserves, because she looks so unrecognizable. But the voice, you can hear that this is somebody young, and from the hands, she is visibly younger than her face. Engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. Like this video. We'll definitely and surely be seeing you in the next one. May the good Lord bless you all. Bye.